Hey everyone, we have all been there where we have seen these diabetic friendly, healthy, delicious looking recipes on TikTok or YouTube and then gone to make it ourselves and they either flop or they are as amazing as everyone says they are. That is why I'm starting a new series on my channel where I will be trying to cook these recipes and then try them edibly, taste them, to tell you whether or not I think they are worth your time or a waste of time. So if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Olivia and I am a type 1 diabetic and have been so for over 20 years now. And in my 20 years, I've done my best to make living with diabetes more enjoyable and more sustainable long term. And one of the ways I've done that is by watching YouTube and TikTok to get some of my recipe inspiration, and then I can enjoy these treats going forward. So what I'm going to be making with you guys today, I'm gonna make it from start to finish, and then I'm going to try it, is 3-ingredient Reese's Bite Balls. So they are supposed to be higher protein, no added sugar, and they're supposedly supposed to taste like almost like a protein Reese's ball. So we'll see. I will link the video that I watched to get this inspiration down below, but I saw it a lot through my YouTube Shorts feed. I was really inspired to make it, so I thought I would make it live with you guys today and then try it. So maybe some of you guys will be inspired to try it yourselves if it ends up being good. I have not made it yet. Or maybe you will know not to make it because it wasn't that great. So hopefully you guys like this video idea as much as I do. So let's get started. So they said 3 ingredients. So the 3 ingredients are unsweetened applesauce, peanut butter powder, which I bought. I like this brand a lot. It's the Crazy Richards brand. And then a sugar-free chocolate chip, which I'm using the Bake Believe dark chocolate because I actually prefer dark chocolate over milk chocolate. So it calls for 1 cup of peanut butter protein powder or powdered peanut butter. So I'm going to measure out a cup in here. So this is not sugar-free because there is natural sugar in applesauce, but it is no sugar added, so I thought that was pretty good. So I have a cup measured out right here, and I'm gonna throw that into a bowl. And then it called for 1/2 cup of the unsweetened applesauce. So I'll measure that 1/2 cup. So it doesn't get much easier than 3 ingredients. So that's why I'm really excited for this one. And then you just stir it on up. Yeah, I'm excited for this one. I love peanut butter. And also I'm trying to watch my calories. So peanut butter powder is significantly lower in calories than peanut butter. And I love peanut butter. And I think that's why I've had a harder time losing baby weight, because I've just been all about the peanut butter this go around. So when I saw this recipe, I'm like, let me give it a try and let's, bring you guys along for the ride. If you guys like this video idea, please let me know in the comments below, or even if you want me to try a recipe with you guys, leave that in the info box below as well. So like it said on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, it is very similar to a dough, which I was mildly surprised about. So it says to form them out into little balls. So that is what I'll do. So you guys can kind of see where this is going. So you form it out into little balls, and then you dip them into chocolate. So that sounds good. I will form all of these out and see how it goes. I have been, for the most part, pretty impressed with different recipes I have found on YouTube and TikTok when it comes to diabetes or just weight loss in general. A lot of them, have really surprised me. I, for a while, was really into the trend of cottage cheese. And before that whole cottage cheese trend took off, I was not a fan. But some of the recipes did turn me on to cottage cheese, which was, pretty surprising because the texture was a little different. But when you do blend it, it does taste a lot better. So I do love always getting my inspiration from these creators. It's amazing. It's just so much easier for me to watch a video and get inspiration and get ideas than to read a recipe book. I know back in the day, it's kind of what everyone did, read the recipes, but now that we have the technology to be able to watch, it's almost like a live feed cooking channel, why not do that? So I'm almost done. It said on the YouTube short it would make about 16 balls. I am a little bit shy. What am I at? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, This is 11 and 12. So I'm 4 shy. So mine might be a little bit larger than traditional, than they were supposed to be in the recipe, but I am fine with that. So I have them right there. Now I'm going to wash my hands up. Okay, so next I'm going to just take these chocolates, melt them in my microwave, not the whole bag, but a good chunk, and I'll bring you guys back to roll them in the chocolate and see how they look. So there we go, we're on to the next step, guys. So I'm back with my melted chocolate, and just so you know, the Make Believe brand did a really nice job at melting down in the microwave. So I just put it in for about 2.5 minutes, and every 30 seconds I would open the microwave up, stir it up, and then eventually it became a beautiful, nice melted consistency. So as you can see, yum. Delicious, I can't wait. And it was like dangerous. Every time I opened the microwave up, I couldn't help myself but to lick the spoon after I stirred the chocolate up. So some of it is missing, but I think it's enough for what I have here. So here are the balls. Now I'm just going to put it into the chocolate and kind of roll it around like it did in the video. And take it out. And I'm gonna plop it onto a paper plate. And it said on the video to refrigerate it after I get everything chocolate coated for about 10 minutes. And I did try a little bit of one of the balls while I was on break melting the chocolate, and I will admit it did not taste like Reese's. It did not. It tasted like diet food, as you would suspect, because you're using, you know, peanut butter powder, not the real thing. And maybe I'm just spoiled because I went from, you know, Skippy peanut butter to peanut butter powder, so obviously they're going to be different. But I could see how if you are in a diet, you know, calorie deficit where you're eating lower calorie foods, this would be a very big treat. But I'm hoping, since I'm adding the chocolate to it, it will make it taste more like a treat than it did when I tasted the first time. I personally love this idea of me trying these recipes with you on camera, because everything looks so beautiful and great on YouTube and TikTok, especially with these recipe videos, and it's hard to get a good picture of what it's actually going to taste like or what the process is going to look like, because people edit, they make it look so much different than it actually is. So here, it's like pretty hard to lie about what is going on. And you're watching me hand dip these balls. But look at that chocolate I get to lick. That looks so good. I can't wait. We are getting there. And after this, I'm going to toss them, and I'll probably toss them into my deep freezer instead of my fridge, just so that way they can harden up a little bit better. And this looks really good. I mean, it was very easy. And 3 ingredients, it did work out nicely. I almost wonder if you added some like erythritol or some kind of, you know, diabetic friendly sweetener, if it would taste better, because it doesn't taste very sweet, at least when I tried the peanut butter portion, but we'll see. Maybe the chocolate will add. So here we go. I have everything all chocolate coated on this plate. I'm gonna go throw it into my deep freezer, and then we will get to sit down and give it a try. Okay, my little Reese's Bites sat in the freezer for about 10 minutes. The recipe, the only difference I did with my recipe I made here with you guys today and what they said in the original video was they put theirs in the fridge. I put mine in the freezer just to make it freeze a little bit faster, and they did a good job. These guys are pretty darn frozen right here. I made myself a shot of espresso to go with these, and I'm gonna give it a try. So, all right. So here we go. This is what they turned out like right here. So very pretty. If I put a little bit more effort into making it look pretty than I did, I think I could have done a really nice job. Let's give it a try. The chocolate does make it a lot better than it was when I just tried the peanut butter applesauce mixture. The texture is just fine. It does taste like peanut butter powder, but altogether, it does taste like a riff on a Reese's cup. So, one more try. If I were to do anything different with this, I would add some kind of sweetener to the applesauce and the peanut powder mixture. You could add erythritol, stevia, but overall, I have to be honest, this was actually a lot better than I anticipated it would be. It's delicious. I will eat this whole entire plate without thinking about it. It's delicious. The chocolate definitely made it for me. I really enjoyed that. Next time I might try it with a white chocolate as well. It's really good though. For someone who loves peanut butter, I really enjoyed this one. Would I recommend you guys to make it? Honestly, I think I would. Maybe if you're not as into sweets as me, maybe you'll love the unsweetened applesauce and the peanut butter mixture. But for me, next time I make it, I'm definitely gonna try it with a little bit of sweetener, like Truvia or stevia, something of that sort. But so far, I would say this is a pass today. So we will see what I come up with next. If you guys have any video ideas, or if there's any viral recipes you want me to try, leave it in the comments below. I have a few ideas circulating in my head that I've been wanting to try that I think you guys would really find interesting as well, that I will film for my next in this series. This is my new series, so welcome to my first video, hopefully of many. Cheers. And once again, if you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me and my channel grow, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a beautiful day, guys.